train now arriving is your 1258 Waurn service. This will be a 3-carriage service, so please stand in the middle of the platform. This train will be stopping at Deer Park, Tarney, Windendale, Lara, North Shore, North Geelong, North Geelong, South Geelong, Marshall and Waurn Pond. Once again, the train now arriving on platform 4 is your 1258 Waurn service.
Geelong, Marshall and Waurn Ponds.
For your safety, please remain behind the yellow line until the train stops. Then wait for people to get off before you board.
The next train to depart from platform.
The train now on platform 4 is your 1258 Waurn service and is now boarding.
Lewis V line.
Please stand clear of the yellow line. Train is now ready to depart.